large, long, select a long plane mirrors or large, I'll write it. So an object is here where the images will be formed. Okay, let me draw an horizontal line first, because on that horizontal line, the images will lie. First, the mirror M1 will form its image. This will be I1 at a distance A. Then this let me use this color. Okay, the mirror M2 will form its image at a distance I2. Okay, let it be at a distance B. What is I1? Object distance should be equal to image distance. So I1 is the image formed by the mirror M1. Means the rays after striking the mirror M1, they'll form image at I1. Similarly, the rays after striking the mirror M2, they'll diverge from I2. Okay, let me do one thing. I'll come to the ray diagram. I'll come to the ray diagram. Next again, let me start with the ray diagram. This will be much easier. After reflection, they should diverge. You can see now. So the rays are diverging from. So this is ray 1. Okay, similarly, red color, let me choose. This should be somewhere here, I2. Once ray optics over, I will really relax because so many diagrams will be there. Because anything, if I want to explain, I must take a ray diagram. Without ray diagram, not possible. Drawing ray diagram is in fact biggest hurdle in for the teacher here. We can draw a rough ray diagram. Again, students will get confused. So I'm always insisting on the some well-defined geometrical ray diagram so that the concept clarity will come with the help of at least ray diagram. Okay, there's the incident ray. After reflection, it will go and strike this mirror. And the rays, what happen? They're diverging from the image I2. Like this is what we can keep on show the rays getting reflected by the between the gap between the mirrors. Okay, the rays will keep on get reflected and we'll get the number of images. Now you see that one. No, these rays, this I1, okay, the rays emitted by object 2, first they fall on M1, then it'll form image I1. And this reflected rays, now they'll go and strike mirror M2. Then again, they'll get reflected. No, they'll form image, no, here. Similarly, they will get reflected here. Now, if I extend this, so now you see this will be. So now this will become 2a plus b. What is this distance will be? This will become I1, 2. The name of image I'll call I1, 2. This I1 will become virtual object for plane mirror M2. Then what is the total object distance? A plus B. So 2a plus b is what this distance will be. So b is already there. So let me write 2a. M2, this M1. Now, similarly, these reflected rays, the red color one, let's get into the red color. After reflection, they will diverge from a point. Then this image will become like a I21. The name of this image I'll call I21. So this I2 means for this mirror M1, it will be as if like the rays are the rays are being emitted by the image I2. You see this one. These rays are incident on M1. These rays as if they are like emitted by image I2. So this I2 will become virtual object for mirror M2. So what is the object distance? B plus B plus A. 2B plus A, already A is there. So this distance will become 2B. Now I2 will become virtual object for the mirror M1. The image will be formed here. Now what we have to start again this I12 will become object for mirror M1. So what is the distance? It will be like a 2B plus 3A, and the image will be formed here. So like that we'll get the uh, if they're very long, large plane mirrors. So what is the number of images? Infinite images will come. If the length of the mirrors is finite, then after some reflections, what happens? The rays will escape from here. No, then we don't get infinite. When the infinite images are possible, when the mirrors are large, I mean the rays what happen will undergo continuous n number of reflection. Then we'll get n number of images on this side, n number of images on this side. There's a method of tracing the number of images here. The have a little bit of space, so if you want, you can go for again. They'll get reflected. This I12 will become object for mirror M1. Then here we'll get I121. Similarly, I21 will become object for mirror M2. Then image will be formed I212. Like that, we can keep on add number of images on either side of the plane mirror.